welcome back to my studio. And today we're doing quick and effective total beginner bodyweight arms workout. I will guide you through healthy alignments and forms, and you guys must do your best. Let's begin this session with quick and effective warm-up for arms and shoulders. Take a look at your first exercise demo. Take your arms all the way to the side, and we begin with the shoulders rotations. So what I want to see in this first exercise is total control of the movement same. Make sure you don't swing those arms, you rotate those arms with control. And we have a few more seconds to these directions, and go ahead team and switch. And while we do this first exercise, I'm gonna give you a little heads up what to expect from this workout. So it's totally body weight. But even though I can promise you, you're gonna feel those arms if you follow my instructions. So we're gonna be working on a 50 seconds timer for each exercise and quick 10 seconds transition just to prepare and take a look at the demo. Finish strong, and I already can feel those arms just over those circles. All right team, take a look at your next exercise demo. This is your front arm raise to inward bicep curl. Make a fist, activate the arms, and I want you to work like you have a dumbbells in your hands. Make sure that you raise those arms, you keep resistance in those arms, and when you release them, you definitely don't drop those arms. Release with control. Keep on working, just like this. All the way crew, we have about 20 seconds left. And to be honest, my arms already on fire. If you find it's a little bit too challenging to stand up for 10 minutes, you can definitely do these exercises sitting on the chair. Give me just about 5 more seconds. Very good, one more guys. Beautiful. Quickly take a look at your next exercise demo. This is your overhead press. Again, imagine that you have a weight in your hands, begin your work. And of course, for my intermediate and advanced students, if you are in the mood of the quick and effective workout, you don't have much time today, you can just add dumbbells to those exercises and you will have an amazing upper body workout as well. All right, keep on working guys. We are halfway through, my arms and shoulders on fire already. Brace your core guys, breathe. I don't want you to hold your breath. Push and pull, push and pull. Always control to each and every movement guys. All the way, and give me about 5 more seconds to finish. Make your fist. It's give you sensations that you're holding the dumbbells in your hands. Excellent. Take a look at your next exercise demo. This is your static arm hold. It's gonna be challenging with the bicep curl. 50 seconds, bear with me guys. Make sure that you keep that form. Activate those arms, make your movement super strong and engaged, and you're gonna feel that burn in those arms. Keep on working. Don't drop your elbows, I know what you're doing. Keep the elbows 90 degrees above the floor. You pick the pace with me, follow along. Do your best not to slow down. I know it's burning all the way. Appreciate about 10 seconds to finish for this exercise, guys. You can do it. Breathe. Do not relax those arms. You can't relax those arms. 1 more second. And we got this. Arms on fire, shoulders on fire. I don't know about yours. Take a look at the next exercise demo. This is your guys up and down rotations. All the way. Again, make a fist. Activate those arms really strongly. And this is a rotation from the shoulder. Your bicep, your tricep, your shoulder, and your lats working in this exercise. Making your arms stronger and helping you actually get rid of the back fat as well. Breathe guys, stomach in and tight. Not yet. Give me a good full range of motion. Try to catch up on the tempo with me again. And form, 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 guys. 5 seconds to finish. I feel the burn. I feel that burn. And this is it. We got this. Now, I'm ready to take you on your kneeling position. We will begin with the shoulder step, guys. Stay on your knees, my friends. Begin your work. Of course, for my intermediate and advanced students, you team can be on your feet. I'm gonna stay today with my beginners, so beginners can follow along. If you have a sensitive knees, all you have to do is to add an extra mat or any other type of cushion. The best thing is to add a specific special fitness knee pads for yoga or Pilates, and you can find them in my Amazon recommended store in the description link. All the way. Keep working. Almost through, guys. And 5 seconds to finish, everyone. I got you. Last one. Beautiful. If you need to rest a little bit, sit on your knees or any other place you can rest. We are ready for the dolphin plank hold. Put your elbows on the floor, on the knees, crew. Again, my intermediate and advanced, you can hold your plank on your feet. I'm gonna stick with my beginners today so you guys don't feel lonely. I want you to get stronger. I want you to get faster. I want you to build endurance and stamina. I want you to lose the weight and live a happy and healthy life. Don't hesitate to join our community on the Facebook, our private community. And we have a lot of people to support you who started as a beginner, and they can testify you can do it. You can do it, I promise you. As long as you show up for your workouts. It starts with a beginner workout, and then you get stronger. You will be able to complete much more challenging ones as time progresses. All right, rest a little bit, guys, and we're moving to the next one. This is probably the most challenging for today. So I want you to take your breaks, guys. Begin the work. Nice and slow. If you need to take a break and stretch your arms, please stretch your arms. Your tricep push-up may not look as ideal for right now. I don't want you to worry about it at all. If you need to take a break and shake your arms, please do. 50 seconds for tricep push-up. Even on the knees, it's very challenging. What I want you to work in this exercise is to bring in your elbows close to your rib cage and try to go lower. Maybe if it's slower, guys, that's okay. If you do just the 4 or 5 push-ups for the 50 seconds, that's totally fine. All right, last one. We did it. That was actually very challenging for me. Go ahead and lay down on your belly. Extend those arms. We're gonna go for the swimmer all the way. Now, if you need to slow down, please do. If you're gonna do just those arms, also totally fine. This exercise is a full body fat burning exercise, very good one for your back restoration. We call this exercise swimmer. It kind of looks like a swimmer. Slow down if you have to. This is it, guys. Do your just arms or just legs. Rest when you have to. Stay with me, I know you can. Few seconds left, guys. Breathe, breathe. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Very good. And just like a blink of an eye, we are down to the last exercise. Put your elbows underneath and lift up all the way. Elbows back down. Now you might not be able to come up as high as I do in this exercise from the SPHINX to COBRA. Please don't worry about it. Try to set your elbows directly underneath your shoulders. This is a great supported exercise for the arms and shoulders to help your bicep and tricep become stronger And it's also a really good one for your back. Work for your shoulders, guys. Don't block the airflow. Don't block your ears. Give me just one more good rep. And we're gonna stay right up here all together for the stretches. Shoulders soft back and down. Look above one shoulder. Look above another shoulder. All the way through. Now slowly release your hands. Push yourself back up to your tabletop. Go ahead and give me a couple stretches here for the back, especially after that swimmer. Nice job, team. One more time. And go ahead and sit on your knees or any other way which is comfortable for you. Reach all the way up. Let's stretch our arms all the way up front. And all the way bind behind if you can. Stretch them all the way, lengthening, stretching those. Very good. Inhalation. Exhalation. Do it one more time for yourself, guys. Rest well today, eat well, recover well, and I will see you all in my new workout video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. I will see you all tomorrow.